Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how I remade our room. I'm just going to show you my half because I share the room with my husband and I really don't want to invade his privacy. So I'm going to show you only like my half of a room, like my corner of a room, but I hope that is enough. If you have any questions, put them down below. And yeah, hopefully you will enjoy. So this is more or less a final result. As you can see, this is my altar space. I have painted this piece of furniture and also that piece of furniture brown to match this thing right here. And I have this hanger in natural color, but I really like it since my doors are also the same color. I have fairy lights here and also here. I have these awesome wind chimes my mom got me, and some dried herbs, as you can see, fake ivies and fake plants, because like no plant can live here because this room is super hot and kind of dark, which is quite ironic, but it's like that. Here is my crystal collection, a fake ceramic skull I got from local shop. I think I have it for ages. This is a mushroom, and I have also another one. I got them both from my friend. There is another one. I have this bunny from my mom, some dried herbs, a wooden bowl I also got locally, and some stuff I have collected in the forest, salt lamp, and my books, and there will be more books soon, and I'm really excited. These are the shelves my husband found for me usually. This is where I keep my smaller earrings, and this is my makeup chest I have made myself. This is where I keep some other stuff, and this is my ring. Here are my side puffs and my D&D dice I got from Dakota Irish. Oh, this is like a storage book my friend made. And here on my mirror I keep most of my jewelry. And here are my bigger earrings. The hanger I made myself just from like soft wood. These cute little pinecone fairy lights I got yesterday in it's kind of like a craft store, you could say. These antlers are from my friend. Here is another ivy. I had real trouble to stick it on here. Here are my dreads from Blue Dreads and my collection of creations by MAKEOVER. Here are my scarves and a little cute frock. Some of my t-shirts, my drawing tablet and D&D starter set, my notebook and my backpack and my shoes. Here is most of my clothes I'm currently wearing. I try to switch it seasonally, more or less. I still keep some sweaters out for the summer because yeah, even summer can be cold. Here are my flower crowns and cute little blackbird which sings actually. Here are my crochet hooks and some projects I'm currently working on. And here is a moonkin plushie I got from my husband. This is the framed fern I have made myself. I have also video on it. And yeah, here is just my bedside table. It's kind of messy always, and my salt lamp and my plushie collection and my dino pillow. Yeah, this is how it looks now. So yeah, that is everything I'm going to show you. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments, and see you in my next video soon. Bye bye!